I rate your feelings. Do you know when you're watching a TikTok video and for some fucking reason it's spliced with some useless moron on the side of the screen who's just like lying on the sofa watching? You're like, what are you bringing to this experience? That's you. That's what you bring to my experience, okay? And for some reason, these insecure, therapy-needing dickheads perform like dancing monkeys for your entertainment, hoping for your validation. Fuck that. As if your opinion means anything. It doesn't to me, okay? Got it? Good. Oh, wow. You're gay, right?
No.
No? You get that a lot. I think I just had a gay man say I'm sassy, and that's a fucking win! Winning! Oh, sorry, no, not that your validation means anything to me. So, where do we start? The fucking English. You lot. So, I grew up in the third world. No, not you, sir. You're safe. Who is English? Fuck the lot of you. I grew up in the third world. And moving back here made me appreciate the third world so much more. Now, the third world means developing countries, which I guess makes England a fourth world country. Because every time I come back, things are getting shitter. Literally, you are pumping shit in your rivers. Your politicians voted for more shit in the rivers, and you re-elected them! Yeah, you fucking cunt. My pregnant sister got hepatitis swimming in your seas. And thank the fucking empire all your doctors are Indian, so they knew how to handle it. They're like, oh yeah, we used to have this problem in our third world fucking country. Thankfully our politicians sorted it out. But yeah, here we are to fix fucking England. Jesus fucking Christ. You know England's in trouble when it starts describing itself with these positive adjectives. Right, like in Africa, you've got the People's United Democratic Republic of Dictatorship Shithole. Yeah, I don't know why you're laughing, English. You're the fucking same. United Kingdom? Is it? Is it though? You are holding Scotland and Northern Ireland against their will in your fucking attic. One referendum away. Like, they're gone. They're fucking gone. You know, and this is the problem with someone giving themselves their own adjectives. So, if I was on a date with you, hey, and I said, hey, I'm all in proportion, Chris. You'd have some questions. Right? And yet, for some reason, United Kingdom describes itself as Great Britain. To who? You're writing your own TripAdvisor review. I am suspect. If I said, hey, I'm not a nonce Chris. That's about how the rest of the world feels about England. Do you know what they call us in Europe? Turf Island. Have you heard this term? Yeah, Turf Island. Because we spend more time debating trans rights than anything fucking else. There are two groups in this country that think cuts solve their problems. It's trans women and the Conservative government. And we're debating the wrong fucking cuts. Leave the trans alone. Get rid of the fucking Conservatives. Do you want 10 more years of austerity? Yeah! You look like a Tory voter.
Yeah, we got it.
I didn't hear, sir. And I don't care. We've already established that. I've got some bad news for you, cunts. You're shit at sport, and it's not coming home. Fucking never. It's not. You invent sports, so I guess you get a participation trophy. The only sport you're fucking good at is the Paralympics. And that's not because of your investment in the team, it's because of your investments in Afghanistan and Iraq. Have I offended absolutely every one of you cunts yet? No. And I know why. Because some of you are like, I'm not English. Not you, sir. Not you, my wife, you're fine. Some of you are like, oh, we're not English. We're from Devon, we're better, we're different. I've heard you bitching about London. Oh, they're so rude, they're so impatient. Do you know what people from London think of you? They fucking don't. You are a flyover county. Literally, especially since you sold your airport to build housing. How's that going? Any houses yet? Fucking no. More people know Exeter services than Plymouth. The most interesting thing about Plymouth is the debate between the Cornish about what you do with your cream. Do you put it on your nephew's face or in your cousin's bum? No one gives a fuck, you dirty fucker. Jesus fucking Christ. Is anyone not offended yet? Remember, I do not give a shit about your opinion. I just want a reminder here. Here is what you are to me. Here is what you mean to me. You are just a fucking TikTok side screen, looking gormlessly next to the important content. You useless, miserable cunts. I love you all. Thank you.